What's up, guys? Today we are taking a look at the Magicyoyo K2 and V3 2-pack. This is in the Z series of Magicyoyo. Let me open up the tape here. Now this is really cool because it comes in a nice carrying case. So this is $25. You get this nice Magicyoyo hard case. The Magicyoyo V3, which is a great beginner intermediate yo-yo. It comes stock responsive, but as you can see here, we got strings and we got hardware to make it unresponsive. So I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Same setup on this guy here. So the crystal, now this one, same thing, it comes set up, and we got this really nice, really nice. There's also a little basics instructions books. But this is a very nice hard case. Keeps it very well protected. And let me show you guys how to set up one for unresponsive play. So when you open up your yo-yo here, we got the small bearing, small axle. Well, we want to put in the big bearing, big axle. You know, so easy enough. We use this little tool here to get the bearing out. And then if you can't unscrew with your hands the axle, you use the Allen wrench. And you just go right there, give it a little twist. And then basically it's as easy as we put in the larger axle as well as the larger concave unresponsive bearing. Okay, now we'll get to playing with these in a second. We'll do responsive play on here as a demonstration and unresponsive play just because I already have them set up like that. But once again, these yo-yos can both be set up for either way, so that's very cool. And for 25 bucks, just the yo-yos alone, I'd say is a pretty good deal. But you're getting all these strings, all the extra hardware to set them up either way. The really nice carrying case that keeps your yo-yos very well protected. And yeah, so let's go over there where we got a little more room. Throw a string, we'll play responsive first, then we'll bust out some unresponsive. All right, here we go. We got the crystal set up with the responsive setup, so let me give you a quick little trick demonstration. So it can handle your basic string tricks, but this is gonna be great for just learning how to throw the yo-yo with the responsive setup. Your basic pitcher tricks, you know, catching it on the string, your brain twisters, your stop and goes, things like that, your UFOs, and even, you know, your responsive DNAs, variations. I'll try to get a little. There we go. I got a better one there. Yeah, but this is great, you know, just for learning how to throw, or if you just want to use a responsive yo-yo. Sometimes using a responsive yo-yo is fun, but the best thing is that you can, you know, just take out the bearing, take out the axle, and in a matter of minutes, you're set up, ready to go with a unresponsive setup. So for that demonstration, we're going to use the Magicyoyo V3. So let me take the string off here, throw it on the V3. Okay, now we are strung up with the Magicyoyo V3, and as you can see, now this yo-yo, I have to do what's called a bind to make it come back to my hand. Therefore, I can do things like whip tricks, you know, and stuff like that. And once again, you can set up the crystal the same way, but for being a budget aluminum yo-yo, this yo-yo actually has quite the long spin times. The slightly slim design too makes it very fast playing, especially while, you know, a lot of yo-yos that are a little more widened off here on the edge aren't that fast playing yo-yos when they're a little squared off, but this one, it plays, you know, just like a real angular yo-yo would. And right out of the box, we got amazing response. It's not snagging when I don't want it to, but I'm getting great binds when I do want it to. My spring tension is a little messed up from doing those DNAs on the other setup. Yeah, and you just can't go wrong with a Magicyoyo V3. Even if you're an experienced player, it's great to have a yo-yo like this in your car that's just reliable. You know, it can always perform. And if you forget it somewhere, you're not out a lot of money. the slim design really helps your accuracy with tricks like this. And overall, I think this is a great deal for 25 bucks. So you can get this on Amazon.com. 25 bucks. There'll be a link down below, and you really can't go wrong. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later, and peace out.